Friday. Semana Santa has started, so Easter week, we get a whole week off of work for Easter. So today I'm gonna go to El Escorial, which is like a little city outside the center of Madrid. So I did my hair and I used my new hair products that I got for my birthday from Sarkis. Gisou. I also used the heat protectant spray and the primer, which I have down here. Okay, this one. I think I used too much of this. Like, you need the smallest piece size amount. Also, I should be getting a package from Lululemon because I ordered some leggings on my birthday and they're coming today. So I don't know if I'll get those before I leave or if I'll get them when I come back. So we'll see. So last night I cleaned my whole bathroom and I cleaned my desk, everything, my bed. I didn't make my bed and I have my clothes on there that I'm gonna wear today. But I also bought like these little things that stick on the wall so I could hang up my lights. So cute. Oh, that's it. It feels so good to have a clean room. So this is my outfit. I'm wearing my North Face jacket, my necklace from Alvent, my shirt is from Forever 21, the tank top, I don't know where this tank top is from, like Zara. I think it's from Zara. My jeans are from Zara, and then I'm wearing my Doc Martens, which I haven't worn these in so long, but I don't know, I thought they looked cute with this outfit. I put a scarf in here just because I don't know if it's colder over there. I think it is colder, even though it's like only 40 minutes away. But I'll bring it in case. And yeah. So I'm gonna go meet my friend Christine at Seoul and we're gonna take the train. Okay, so we went to the train station. We had to walk through the park, which I recorded. No. And now we're more like in the center of the little tiny city. And we're going to a vegan restaurant, the only vegan restaurant here. And yeah, it's so cute and little. It's like, wait, what did we park? Uh-oh. Oh, there. The town feels like a fairy tale. That's what we're saying. Okay, we're gonna walk over there. And I forgot to record my food, but we just left the restaurant. Hey, Christine. We're in a little Spanish bar going to the bathroom. It's a huge spider stuck in the tube. Oh my god. I feel so tall. So these are the exact ones that I bought, and they were on sale for $59 instead of $98, so that's why I got these ones. And I like the color gray for my gym leggings. I'm just leaving my house and I'm going to Sarkis' house. We're gonna have smoothies and I don't know what else we're gonna do, but I changed into my leggings. I was at Sarkis' house. I ate some ramen, which you didn't really get to see the food. But I took the metro and now I'm about to get to my house. I'm so tired. It's like 10 something, but I'm usually in bed at 10. So I didn't vlog at the gym because I don't know, I forget. Like I'm trying to remember like what I need to do there. And I'm not thinking of setting up my camera to vlog. But anyway, well, you know, I did stuff earlier today and I didn't vlog it. I'm so bad, I always forget. But now we're going to IKEA because Sarkis is moving into another bedroom in his house, a big one. So he has to buy new bedding. But I really want to start showing more fitness stuff, but I feel I can't do it yet because I don't know enough. But tell me if you guys, let me know if you guys would like me to do that. Because yeah, I go to the gym all the time. It's like all I do. That's the only activity that we do other than go out and eat and have coffee. So anyway, also we still have to do a video speaking only in Spanish, just because, like, for fun. I don't speak good Spanish at all, but it's like a challenge, okay? Obviously I do it Sarkis, so there's more Spanish because I understand more than I can speak. Today I had to go buy new moisturizer and sunscreen. So I went to, where was the first place I went? Druni. And this sunscreen was 27 euros. So I didn't get it. I was gonna order it on Amazon, and then I went to Primor, and if you are in Spain, it's the cheapest place for like hair products, makeup, and all that stuff. Everything is the cheapest, even my protein powder. So this was only 16 euros, the same one that I wanted. And then I also got the Ordinary moisturizer just to try it. And I bought that at Druni. So we're walking, and I just heard a little girl. She was definitely American, or had American parents, you know? Which is so weird because I never hear little kids here that are American, you know? It's always like people who are like me, or like studying abroad or something. ¿Cama doble?
No.
¿No quieres algo más?
Esto. Sábana. Para hoy necesito esto nada más. Pongo eso encima. Sábanas tengo.
¿Vamos arriba? Porque vamos arriba. Porque a veces tienen comida vegana.
Oh, vamos a ver. Las salchichas son muy largas.
Ikea, how do people say here? IKEA. IKEA?
Ikea.
IKEA. Encontré dos cosas veganas aquí en IKEA. Albóndigas. ¿Albóndigas? Albóndigas veganas. Uno con vegetales. ¿Vegetales o verduras? No
Ambos.
Ah, ok. Y la otra es como carne, pero vegana. Qué rico. Oh no. Vamos a mi casa y luego a la casa de Isakis. ¿Qué? ¿Por qué te ríes? Ríes. We finished cooking. We have brown rice, broccoli, and vegan meatballs. So we're gonna eat this and then go to sleep. I'm so tired.